Photos from a site survey are one of the most valuable assets for a successful project during pre-sales, post-sales, and installation. They are even more valuable when they are easy to access and in context with a floor plan or survey. With the Photo Tour report, you can create a customizable report that shows all of the photos from your survey, including device location and configuration, to provide to clients and installation teams as a visual guide. You can include this report in your project scope of work so all stakeholders are on the same page. And, during the installation phase, give the report to your installation team so they can verify that devices are installed in the proper location. To access the Photo Tour, open your survey and select the Survey menu by clicking the three dots in the upper right corner. Then, click Reports and select the Photo Tour tab. You can add filters to the report from the Filters button in the upper left corner. Here, you can filter by installation status, system type, and element name if there is more than one element icon type on your survey. Additional customizations can be made via the Photo Report Settings button, where you can choose the photo size and add or remove element attributes from the report, including notes that you have added to your element info, which will display directly below each photo in the report. With the report configured to your liking, click the Export button to download your photo tour to a PDF.